everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have a huge, giant haul from the Goodwill outlet, and I'm going to show you what all is in here to be able to see what you can find, even brand new stuff at the Goodwill outlet. So here it is. So in order to give you guys the best possible view, I'm going to flip my camera around and be able to show you up close and discuss with you all of the things that I found at the Goodwill outlet. So you can actually find brand new items at the Goodwill outlet, and these are some things that I found. Here is a Trail Creek Kevlar reinforced hiking laces, and this is actually a pair, and I looked them up on Amazon and couldn't find the exact listing, so I'll either probably create a listing myself or I will probably go ahead and put them on eBay. But there's a bunch of different styles, but I'll probably sell them in 2-packs just to make my listing unique, and because I have so many. But they were going, these style of laces were going with the Kevlar reinforcement, were going for about, I would say, $9 for a pair of 2. So that's definitely worth it when you're paying by the pound from the Goodwill outlet. So I probably spent about, I don't know, 10 cents per pair of laces, maybe less than that. And then here's another thing that I found at the Goodwill outlet. These are basically jewels that go onto a pair of shoes. See, they got the little clips on the back, and you will put them on the end of your sneaker laces or in the little eyelet holes. But I found a bunch of different styles, and these are definitely eBayable. And so I'm going to put a lot of these on eBay. These are like little bows with gold centerpieces, some white bows with gold accents in them. Here's some gold flowers. Shoe ornaments is what they're called. These are just kind of neat looking. But anyway, I found a bunch of different ones. These things are just chocked full, as you can see, of them. And so I found a bunch. I did find a Wii down there. Just the, it was actually hidden underneath some clothing. And so I was wondering if maybe one of the workers put it there, but I've got a Wii myself, so I'm going to plug it in and get it tested and see if it doesn't work. But it looks like it's in fairly good condition. And that will sell for really well, even used. Here's another thing that I found that's going to go on eBay. These are called Foot Friends. They're basically a little set of stickers. You've got it looks like the girl version and the boy version for kids to learn, which is their left foot and their right foot. So it makes a difference, and I've got just a whole box of them. As you can see, there's just tons of them, and so I'll probably sell them in sets of 5 or pairs or something like that, just so that I can get them to move quickly. But like I said, these things don't weigh anything. They're very, very thin, and so I probably spent less than a penny a piece on each one of those. But I bought them because they're brand new, and I know that I can just make one listing and be able to move them quickly. Here's some other things that I always look for. I look for any kind of small electronics. I've got some already packaged up that I don't have on the table, but I'll kind of show you. But these things you can look up if you look real close. Every one of these items that I'm going to show you has a model number, and you can look them up very easily using the model number. This is a little battery charger. Here's another electronic thing. It's got it's a radio with a mic on it, and it also has model numbers, serial numbers, and then looks like it's called a Matrix SR4000. Here's a Mega Plug Ethernet adapter. These things are very, very expensive, so I'll make sure that I test it. Again, you look at the model number to figure out whether or not it's worth anything online. These cables, they're a dime a dozen when you go down to the Goodwill outlet, and you can find a lot of them, but they do have a model number on them as well, and a lot of times you can sell them for about $9 or $10, which is really cool. So you're spending maybe 50 cents on them. Here is a Leapfrog reading game for 4 to 7 years old, brand new in package, so I'm able to use the barcode. Sold for 25 bucks at Barnes and Nobles. Here's another thing that's in package. These things still go well, yes. McDonald's toys do sell. Yeah, this one is from McDonald's. It says McPlay on it, but it's a Transformer mask, and they still do sell really well. So you can look those up and find the picture to match. I always find simplicity patterns, and believe it or not, they usually sell really well. They have a high sales rank because there's not many that are on there, but I can usually sell them really well, and so this one should sell well for me. Here is a cooler. and it's still new with tags and insulated lunch pack. And so that's going to sell really well for me as well. This is my big bopper that I'm really excited about. This is a 5 handset phone that I should be able to sell used, and brand new ones usually go for over about 150 bucks. And so if I find, you got a little sweat bee trying to get after that phone, but anyway, if I find them used, I should be able to sell them for around maybe anywhere from $60 to $80 depending on which type of model it is. And so this is my big bopper, and I was really excited about that. But don't discount used electronics. I do have all the pieces to the phone. I've got the rest of the power cables and all of that in this box here. But don't discount anything that's used electronics. If there's a way for you to be able to plug it in and test it, it should work really well. And as you can see, there's a lot of things that you can find down at the Goodwill outlet, so don't discount it. Make sure you keep hunting. I usually find these items when I'm looking for all of my Poshmark clothing, and so check out my Poshmark store if you haven't found it. I've got some really, really cool looking neat items on there, and I've bought from Poshmark myself. So fun things that you can find down at the Goodwill outlet, and keep hunting, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.